mode.
Channel mode. You'll see that moves into channel mode. And if I fire up, what you need to do is fire up Vixen and at least one channel loaded, and then open up the channel tester for that sequence, like so. And you'll see now if I push the B key, which is down in channel mode, which will move in the channel bar. Now that I'm running a video, this is going to give me a hard time. Let's just shut this down. And you'll see there's my code here. I'm just basically running it at the Visual Basic environment. There we go. And it's not doing as it's supposed to do. And that's the only issue with the way the code works, is I'm actually looking in memory to look for functions that's actually sitting in memory to control Vixen. So what I'll do is all I need to do is shut down Vixen like this and reopen it. Fantastic. Open my sequence. Like so. Bring up the okay, here we go. And the channel tester, let's check that we get all the channels. My video camera is doing some weird effect thing that I don't know what. There we go. Sorry people. Yeah, so if I go back to my software here, bring this up, run the code, fantastic, and hopefully
Channel 1.
Okay,
Start 1.
Okay, here we go.
Channel 2. Start 1.
Okay, so what you're hearing now is my software actually controlling the channel window here. So you'll see if I make sure I got focus on my software and I push the B key.
Channel 3. Start 1.
It's telling me I've got channel 3. Let's turn all the channels off. Go back. And if I move down again,
Channel 4. Start 2.
It's telling me I'm in channel 4, and I've labeled channel 4 star 2, and it's basically reading back whatever channel I moved to in the chest channel window. If I go down one more,
Channel 5. Star 2.
So it's telling me it's at channel 5, and I've got it labeled as star 2. And if I push the A key, I can move back up.
Channel 4. Star 2.
And then if I push the C key,
Channel 4 on.
It tells me I've got channel 4 on, and the rest of that toggles. So if I push it again,
Channel 4 off.
Now if I show you over at the controller here, you'll see if I push the channel on,
Channel 4 on.
You'll see the channel comes on. If I move down one more channel,
Channel 5 star 2.
Channel 5 star 2.
Channel 5 on.
There's channel 5.
Channel 6
Move to channel 6.
star 2.
And turn that on.
Channel 6 on.
Now it gives me 3 channels, and I'll just do one more.
Channel 7 star 3.
And channel 7 is star 3 out in the field.
Channel 7 on.
Now that's channel 7 on. And if I can move back up.
Channel 6
let's get back to
star
channel
2.
5.
Channel 5 star 2,
So out in the field I would know I'm on channel 5 star 2, and then hit the toggle button,
channel 5 off,
and then the channel 5 turns off. Now that's what's in the channel mode. So if I show you here, so that's what I get when I'm currently sitting in channel mode. If I move over to control mode, you now see that I've shifted to control mode. The software tells me I'm in control mode, and now if I bring up the channel selector in control mode, if I push the C button, what it toggles is that toggles all the channels on.
All channels on.
Which you'll see now, all channels on. Now if I push it again,
all channels off.
Gives me all channels off. So out in the field I can just turn on.
All channels on.
And all off.
All channels off.
Now I can show you now in control mode the A and B buttons, turn all the channels on.
All channels on.
That I can actually control the dimming slider. So currently I'm at 100. You'll see that if I push down, it moves in 10% jumps at a time. I did have it at 1, but obviously in order to get a good display of bright dimming control to work, it just took too long, too many button pushes, so I have it jump in 10 dimming steps. So if I go down, let's see if I can get onto the slider here with you.
90%.
It tells me I'm now sitting at 90%.
80%.
I'm sitting at 80%.
70%.
70%.
60%.
60%.
50%. 40%. 30%. 20%. 10%. 0%.
So now you actually can see in the field I can tell exactly what dimming range I'm on. Now if I take you back over to the controller panel, you'll see that they're off. If I hit the A key to bring everything back up by 10%,
10%,
I've got 10% dimming. Again,
20%,
I've got 20%,
30%, 40%, 50%, 60%, 70%, 80%, 90%,
and back to 100.
100%.
And then if I hit the C key again, I can toggle all the channels back off again.
All channels off.
Okay, so as you can see, I don't know how many different ideas have been around to control Vixen in order for testing, allow you with so much accessibility to the actual Vixen interface. So as you can see now, in channel mode I can move up and down the channels I have created and turn each channel on and off one at a time. And in the current mode, I'm in control mode, I now have all channels off, all channels on.
All channels on. All channels off.
Now, of course, what I wanted to be able to do is put sequences in it. I wanted to be able to start and stop and pause sequences. So, hence where the sequence mode comes into play. So, in order to do that, I need the software to know what sequences you're running. So, I have one sequence set up here. If I just minimize this for 1 second, let's zoom right out here.